Hey guys, this is Jessica and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick little makeup tutorial. I did my makeup like this yesterday and I got so many people asking me how I did my makeup, what did I do differently, and I said, well, I watched Tati's new video with Jennifer Lopez, a makeup artist who his name is Scott Barnes. He is amazing, but he has some new techniques that I hadn't seen before, so I thought I would implement them. So that's what I did. Now today I did do one thing different. I used a cream contour. I've never done cream contours before, but I don't think it turned out too bad. So if you want to check out how I did this look, and also another thing that people were amazed by was that I only used one eyeshadow to get this look. Yes, one eyeshadow to get this look. So if you want to stick around and see how I got this look, definitely keep on watching. But if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell right next to it to get notified of whenever I post new videos. Also, if you want to add me on my Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, definitely add me. All of my contact information is in the description box down below, along with everything that I put on my face today. Let's get going on this Scott Barnes inspired tutorial. So like I said earlier, I am going to be using techniques using the Scott Barnes application and the way he does it. So some of these techniques I've never done before, so it's going to be very interesting. So he starts with the concealer first, so that's what we are going to do. He had a kind of a little paddle brush. I don't have one of those, so I'm just going to use a damp sponge. Then what he likes to do is he likes to go in with a cream contour. Now I have never ever used a cream contour before, so this is gonna be an experience. So I went out and I got a Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Contour Palette. So I'm thinking I'm gonna blend these two. Take this darker shade right here. It's a little bit of a warmer, and I'm just going to put a little bit of it on. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that first brown color and I'm just going to do our nose contour like I would usually do. Also did a really interesting thing where he contoured the lip, so we are going to attempt that as well. So now it's time. I look like a hot mess. So now it's time for my foundation. I'm going to be using the Covergirl Trublend Matte Foundation, and I have mine in L60. Again, I'm just going to use my sponge, and we're just going to go over everything. faintly see that under contour we did. So now we have our base down. So as you can see, whenever we blended everything out with our sponge, like you didn't have to do any like crazy blending or anything like that. And I really like doing my makeup this way now. It's like, how was I ever doing it any other way? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my Wet n Wild contouring palette. We're kind of just gonna redo our contour. So we did our underneath contour, so now we're gonna do our on top contour. Doing my blush, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Island Hottie blush palette. This is new. I just picked it up from Ulta also. And here are the colors. I really love this deep color. I kind of think I want to mix these two colors together. LA Girl has really good pigment in it, and this palette was only $5.99. Like, that's crazy. All right. Before we get going on our eyes, I'm going to do my lips really quick. So I have just a lip liner right here. This is from ColourPop, and it is the 951 lip liner. So I'm just going to do my outer lips. I'm also going to do the inner corners. Now I have this new lip gloss from NYX, and it is their new shimmer lip gloss. I have mine in Butter, so I'm just going to apply this to my lips. The look I did yesterday, a lot of people couldn't believe that I only use one eyeshadow color. And yes, I only use one eyeshadow color. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, because I got so many requests to show you how I did this look. So we're going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So I used this color right here, which is Mocha. So I'm just going to take that color on a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to start by doing tiny little circles all over my eyelid. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a more tapered brush. Using that same color, I'm just going to wiggle it back and forth in my crease. And that's just going to deepen right there. I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush and just blend out the top part of where the eyeshadow is. I'm going to get a little definer brush, and I believe, what color did I use yesterday? I think I used this color right here, which is Central Park. Now, this is what I like to do. It's my aesthetic. You definitely do not have to do this, but I just like to kind of do like a double liner and just get it as close to my bottom lash line as possible. Then I'm going to take a smaller detailer brush, and I'm going to go back in with the color we put on our eyelid, and we're just going to smoke out that bottom lash line color. So the lashes I am using today, it is from Kiss. Now these are from the Naked Drama collection. I have the Organza ones. So these are the lashes I'm going to be using today. So I'm just going to do my eyeliner, pop the lashes on, and then I will come back to finish up the look with our highlight. Alright guys, so I have my lashes on, so we are almost done with this look. So of course we're gonna do a highlight. Kind of already looks like I got a highlight, but I don't. So I'm gonna be using the Ofra NikkieTutorials highlight. I'm just gonna mix these two bottom colors together. Guys, here is our finished look. I hope you learned some new techniques, and if you want to check out Scott Barnes' video that he did with Tati, it's over on her channel. I will have it linked down below if you want to check it out. He is amazing at what he does. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and this is a really simple look and it looks beautiful. I love doing my makeup this way. I think I'm going to start doing a under contour, foundation, and then a contour on top of it. I think it looks so beautiful. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye.